Good evening, friends. I have had a long day. You have had a long day. We have all had really long days, okay? But we are going to overcome that, and we are going to set a 15-minute timer, and we're going to pick a chore and do that chore for 15 minutes. In this household, when I set a 15-minute timer and it is a weeknight, I stick to that 15 minutes. What I get done in that 15 minutes is perfect, wonderful, better than 0 minutes, correct? Correct. The reason that I set that rule in my house is for my own brain, because I have been known to start a chore and then I go down an ADHD spiral, and then I won't sit down until like 10 o'clock at night and unwind, and then I end up in bed at like 12:30, 1 o'clock. So we put a cap on it. Long story short, pick a chore, get up, and let's do it together. We are starting the 15-minute timer now. I am dog sitting. I am not at my home. This is not my home, if you couldn't tell. I don't know if these are clean or dirties. I'm just gonna rewash them, because like that looks dirty to me. Anyways, I'm dog sitting at my sister's. I've been here a few days now, and I've made a mess of things. Some other things I like to tell myself when I do my 15-minute timer chores in the evening time. I gotta be realistic with myself. I gotta have expectations that fit where I'm at during the day. Or where from the day, whatever those words are trying to say out of my mouth. Because some days are a lot harder at work than other days are. This is glass, okay. But some days I can come home and I can do chores. Some days I refuse to even get off of the couch after work. Those are usually the days I have the big old golden retrievers or German shepherds or like 6 or 7 doodles. But I also actually really enjoy doing dishes. Doing dishes here because there's a dishwasher. I literally could cry about the dishwasher. I don't think I'm going to put that in there. I don't know if you can see, you can't really, oh yeah, you can see what I'm doing. But just keep in mind how many spoons you have left for the day when you're thinking of these chores. Oh no, why am I fully hand washing? Okay. Anyways. Okay, why are you not coming off? Yas, Queen. Count your spoons. If you've got 2 spoons, do a chore that you can sit down. Maybe you want to organize a basket. Take a basket out of your linen closet and organize that. That's a good chore for the weeknight. That's getting something done. I feel like I'm breathing really heavy, so I hope that I catch that and I tune that down a little bit. So I have a vision board. You all have seen my vision board. Maybe you haven't. If you haven't seen my vision board, I made a video about it. Not this one that I have specifically, but about vision boards. And I have one on my phone. I have a digital one. I don't think I've ever showed you guys that one. But on my vision board, I have a dishwasher. You might think that's ridiculous. Look at this sink. It was just full of dishes. If I have to hand wash this, it's gonna take me the entire 15 minutes that I have, you know? So, I don't know. I think it's a nice little goal to work towards, because every place I've ever rented has never, ever, ever had a dishwasher. Ever. Fun fact. I rented a house that never had a dishwasher. I rented, you guys saw the townhouse I used to live in? That never had a dishwasher. I think this was clean. I think she freshly seasoned it. Nice. We'll set that over there. Probably hand wash that. I think hand wash this. Oh my God. See, look, I almost went and like hand washed all of this. Just put it in there. I kind of enjoy the timer situation because it almost feels like a race. It's a race. It's a race. I'm winning. I'm winning. Oh, this wasn't dirty. Oops. Oh, that goes to that. Huh, oops. So you fill this up with water. That's what she wanted me to do. Okay. This all makes sense now. Okay, fill it with water. Rinse it out. Fill it. This is filtered water. My mom got her this for Christmas. No, her birthday. Her birthday and her Christmas. Oh my God. Christmas and her birthday are very close together, so. It's gonna take up like 10 of our minutes. My sister's dogs get this filtered water. I didn't know that, so I've been doing the filtered water from the fridge. It makes sense. She's like, just do the pitcher. And this is the pitcher she was talking about. Sometimes I wish that I would look around and just be like, huh, oh, duh. You have to make, oh God. Okay. Girl. What? Okay. She's gonna laugh at me. Yeah, there we go. That makes more sense. Okay. Cool. I'm smart. She said fill the pitcher and then put the thing in, but this shows water here. I don't know. How's your chore coming along? Are you almost done? I have a feeling our time is up soon. You're doing great. You're doing wonderful. I'm very proud of you. That might sound facetious, but I'm not being facetious, I promise. I'm actually extremely proud of anybody who is getting up and doing chores right now. Because some days I wouldn't do this if I didn't share it with you guys, and that's why I started this channel, was for accountability, and that's why I keep doing this channel, is for accountability. And because I love it, but you know. That's beside the point. Okay, you are very soapy. Oh, Jesus. Okay, you go right there. I'm gonna break you. And I'm pretty sure this was my dad's, so I don't want to break it. This guy was. Beautiful. Okay, and then now all we have to do is run the dishwasher. Yay! That's our sponge holder. All right, dishwasher. Kelly found more dishes for us. Is that it, babe? Okay. Thank you. Let me do a once over. Okay. Oh, Lord. You would think I didn't grow up in this house. This is the same dishwasher I've had since childhood. Okay, that's right. You have to do this. Normal. Push it. Ha! See, I remembered. I need to get a timer guy because I'm just relying on my kiddo to tell me. He says we have like 4 minutes, so I'm gonna go with that. Cleaning off this area because I make coffees here and I personally have made a mess out of it. Do you guys remember I organized all of this for her? She's done a very good job of keeping it up. Most everything that I've come in and organized, if you haven't watched those videos, go ahead and watch them because we're gonna be doing the sunroom. So that's kind of a continuation of this series of my childhood home. But if you haven't watched those, I've done the dining room. I did that in a live, but that was just like a maintenance pickup kind of deal. No, that doesn't go there. And I did a big overhaul of it first, and then I did a maintenance one just a few days ago. And then we did my childhood bedroom. That was challenging, and it has stayed. It actually looks better. She's done a little bit more to it since we finished. So everything that I've done has stayed very clean. And I think sometimes as humans, we just need that like initial push of somebody to kind of help you get it going or show you like what the space can look like. I think that's kind of what has helped her, at least. I'm trying to find all the good places for all of her stuff. Her kettle, this can go, well, I'm gonna use that. Guys, I need a dishwasher. Look at how easy this is. I took this for granted as a child. I hated doing dishes. Little did I know what I was in for as an adult. I shouldn't balk too much about it because yes, it's very time consuming, but I do get a lot of good deep thinking in when I am. Okay, are you almost out? Yeah. When I'm doing my dishes. But, I mean, I don't think that I would say no to a dishwasher because I think I get deep thinking in when I do them. All right, I'm gonna go find a rag. I will say though, I have a little faucet like this, the sprayer at my apartment, and I hardly ever use it because this one gets stuck, and I don't know how many times growing up it got stuck and would spray all of us. So I'm a little bit traumatized from that, so I don't really use my sprayer as much as I should. All right, the child is telling me that time is up. I'm going to believe him. I made a mess of that. Look at that. 15 minutes. Somebody tell me why I'm out of breath and tired now. It literally does trick my brain into being like, hun, 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 hun. Trying to get as much done in the 15 minutes as I can. But this is all I'm doing tonight, and that looks phenomenal. I have a load of dishes going. This looks great. I am gonna go sit down, watch the Hunger Games with my kiddo, and enjoy the rest of my evening. 15 minutes made a huge difference. Is there a bunch more stuff I could be doing? Absolutely, but I am not going to. We are just sticking to our 15 minutes because that is enough, and that is what I can handle for the night. So friends, I will see you in the next one for whatever we get into. Bye.